just installed our first Iflo Pro drain cleaner. So I'm sure people have heard of the Iflo, but the Iflo Pro has a lot of different features that the standard one you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's does not have. So first thing is, you notice this one installs into the cabinet. So puts the drain treatment right into the drain pan. So this is a professional installation. That's what it's designed for, to be mounted in the air handler. Second, it's actually, there's no batteries. This one has a battery compartment, but there's no batteries. It's hardwired to your air handler. Third thing it does is this one monitors the float switch. So if this switch trips, it will send the user, who's the owner of this condo, and it'll also send the contractor, who is me, an email that says that the float switch has tripped and there's an issue with the drain line, so that if it does plug up, we can come and address it. And fourth thing is, this drain cleaner is a 6-month supply, and it's a special professional formula, so it's actually a little bit stronger than the one you can get, like I said, at Home Depot or Lowe's or online. And the fifth thing is, this comes with a 5-year warranty, the professional. The one from Lowe's and Home Depot, I don't remember if it's a 90-day or a 1-year warranty, I can't remember, but if anything goes wrong with this in 5 years, we just come and swap it out. Iflo doesn't ask any questions, we'll give you a new one and put it in and send it back. So those are some of the huge benefits of getting an Iflo Pro installed on your air handler, and it will stop your drain clogs. As you can see, this customer, they had a flood because the air handler was running and it kind of flooded their condo. So now that we have the Iflo, hopefully that will stop that. If you need an Iflo, give us a call. We're an Iflo Pro. Island Breeze Mechanical, 239-300-5978.